You searched how to buy shares of United Internet, so here's a concise step-by-step walkthrough. United Internet is a German internet services and hosting group listed on Xetra under the ticker UTDI.de, and this video is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker UTDI.de to locate United Internet. Select the listing that shows Xetra and confirm the company name matches. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have the correct instrument. Double-check that the market is listed as Xetra and the ticker reads UTDI.de. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro and further references are available in the description if you want to follow this example.